All right, court is calling 2023 CR 10634, State of Texas versus Sammy Salazar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Allie Jackson for the state.
Defense.
Michael Bellavo.
And are you Sammy Salazar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Salazar, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes.
Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
And probation, this is an application on Sammy Salazar.
Thanks, sir.
Mr. Salazar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with violation of sex offender registration
Yes, ma'am.
annually? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Salazar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is be assessed at 4 years in the prison. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration grand jury number 805-087, and there's to be chapter 62 compliance. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense.
Yes.
State.
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation and follow all TAP recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offer State's Exhibit 1 with all attachments.
No objections.
Oh, you may continue to confer. We got to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand that? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
He understands his need to register. He was having trouble with his having a steady base. The only thing he would ask the court for is permission to stay at Sam's ministry when he does get out.
All right, he'll have to all right, that's really going to depend on who is at that location because of your chapter 62 compliance. But what I can tell you is when you're homeless, you still have to report.
Yes,
If you do not report, you're going to be in violation of your registration. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any family here or no?
I do.
I do, but they stay in government
Okay.
department, so.
All right, you're gonna have to get employment. The court is gonna sentence you to 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. Taking in consideration grand jury number 805087, chapter 62 compliance, TAP evaluation in custody, follow TAP recommendations. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting. And he is on the sex offender caseload. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, sir.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right. In probation, I'm going to order field visits so that we can make sure that he has a place to stay when he has a place to stay.
Yes, Your Honor, with the executive unit, they do fill it.
All right. All right. Thank you. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Hello. Hi. So here's the thing. You're supposed to be interviewed for a MIC evaluation and then ISF. So if you are disruptive, I'm not saying anything is true, but if you are disruptive, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke may be filed. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, so there you go. So there, I ordered an evaluation for you, and it was for a MIC evaluation in ISF, and that was supposed to take place while you were in custody. So if I receive more reports that you are being disruptive to the people who are coming to interview you, what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And if a motion to revoke is filed, and if it's deemed to be true, the allegations within the motion, then you're looking at potentially 4 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything you do not understand?
What I don't understand then is that when I signed for probation last year in November 30th, right? The methamphetamine was dropped. So technically, I never got charged with methamphetamine. I just don't understand why I'm doing this ISF treatment if I was in trouble, charged with the drug case.
All right, so what I can tell you is that you and your attorney agreed probably to have the motion to withdrawn. In exchange for that, you are to do the MIC evaluation in ISF. What I'm telling you right now is you're supposed to be interviewed for a MIC. So they're supposed to be doing a MIC evaluation, and they're supposed to be sending you to ISF if you don't qualify for MIC. I want you to hear me clearly. Those are the orders of the court, period. This whole thing about what should have happened with your motion to revoke and why this or why that, you're past that point because your attorney in the state agreed most likely to withdraw the motion, alternate amend conditions. And when they altered and amend conditions, that was to avoid you being sent to prison potentially for 4 years. So where we are now, if you do not want to do the evaluation, those are choices you make. If you do not want to go to ISF, that's a choice you make. And then guess what? Choices have consequences. So if you don't want to do that, that's on you.
Judge, I would like to point out that once the refusal was done for the MIC evaluation, the state ISF packet went ahead and was sent in. So he is now on a wait list to be medically cleared for ISF. So I would like the court's direction on the MIC evaluation. Do we want to see if he can get that done before being transferred, or
Well, it depends on him. This is what we'll do. Reschedule the MIC evaluation. If you don't want to take the MIC evaluation, that's a choice you can make. If he doesn't take the MIC evaluation, then that's a violation allegedly of his probation and a motion to revoke needs to be filed. So
Okay,
reschedule the MIC evaluation.
do you want me to take him off the list for state ISF currently?
Yes. Because when is he up for state
We
IS?
don't know, and I don't necessarily want to push that
Oh.
off because the wait time could be much longer. I'll see if we can get the MIC evaluation done before.
Can you
transport.
do the MIC evaluation, but keep the ISF? Him on the
Yeah, that's
list?
what I'll see if I can
Okay.
get it done before his transport.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Yes.
I also, I'm placed on suicide status. Okay, so, now go back, I never refused to take it. I was called at the corporal that refused it. She was in a bad mood and she sent me back for no reason. And I did mention to her, it's a court order, it's a sativa that.
All right, so this is what I'm telling you. This is what I want you to listen to me and hear me. I want you to hear what I'm saying. I want you to internalize what I'm saying. Now, reports I've received is that you have been disruptive and using profanity. Guess what? I always tell people, be kind to each other. Don't do that because you're just making other people's days hard. But if you want to do that, that's completely up to you. You're an adult. How old are you?
I'm 47, I'm not
All right,
gonna
so you're
act-
47 years old. So let me explain something to you. In our lifetime, we have choices to make. What I'm telling you is I have ordered them to do another MIC evaluation. If you don't want to take the MIC evaluation, that's a choice.
I'm willing. to
If you
take
don't
it.
want to go to ISF, that's a choice. But let me explain something to you. Every choice that you make and if you try to call it a non-choice, it's really not a non-choice. It's a choice not to do anything. There are consequences. That's what I'm telling you. So, thank you.